Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video about frequent asked questions about Conting worksheets generator. As you can see the quality of these worksheets, you can quickly create these worksheets inside the Conting worksheets generator. So let's just dive into the frequently asked questions. So first one is, can I get a refund on my purchase? The short answer is no. All sales are final, so please make sure you can and will use the product in your business before you make the purchase. Does this software work on PC or Mac? Conting worksheet generator is a cloud-based application, therefore the software works on computer irrespective of whether you have a PC or a Mac. You can use this in a browser, so it works on both a PC or Mac, but it won't work on a mobile device. Can I buy this later? You can buy this later, but during the launch period you can get $50 off. Like the price is $97 after the launch, but during the launch you can get it for $47. The same is true for the optional upgrades. There are special discounts on them during the launch until 21st of August 2020. Do I need to buy the upgrades to make the front-end software app work? No, all the upgrades are optional and they add extra functionality to the front-end version. You can use front-end alone and create worksheets. Like the first upgrade, OTO1 gives you unlimited downloads, bulk clone and bulk delete feature, and ability to download your workbooks as PowerPoint source files. Can I buy one of the upgrades only? No, you need to purchase the front-end version first, then you can purchase one of the upgrades. The front-end version is the base app and the upgrades are added features to it. Question number 6 is this one-off payment or a subscription? This is one-off payment and you can avail discounted price during the launch August 18 to August 21st, 2023. You need to buy once and use it for lifetime. Can I sell the worksheets, books or any derivative products on marketplaces like Fiverr, Creative Fabrica, Design Cuts, etc.? No, you can't. You cannot create any content to sell on such platforms using the app. In short, you cannot sell them on subscription-based services or resell them. You can sell only with the personal use on sites like KDP, Teachers by Teachers, Etsy and others. You can create worksheets and workbooks to sell on KDP, Teachers by Teachers and Etsy. Can I use the worksheets generated for commercial use? Yes, you can sell your worksheets and counting practice books on Amazon, KDP, Etsy and through your own e-commerce websites and keep 100% of the profits. When you sell books to the end user, you will sell them with personal use rights, so your customers can use the books for their personal use only. This is really important. Can I sell books to others with commercial use rights? No, you can't. This purchase allows you to create and use books where you sell those to end user and make a profit from selling the books you create. You cannot sell the Conting worksheets to client who uses the asset or book you sold for commercial use. To buy Conting worksheet generator with my bonus, check out the very first link in the description. Now I will show you what is the bonus you can get with this purchase. If you buy Conting worksheets generator through my link, I will give you these cover templates. I have created this inside Canva and I will give you these source files and you can edit these and use it to create covers for your Conting worksheets or Conting workbooks. So this is first one, this is second one, and this is third, and this is fourth. I will hand over the resource file for these covers and you will have instant access to this bonus section inside Warrior Plus just below your purchase. That is all from me today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.